Hey, it's Mark Schaefer from Brown Harris Stevens and the Harkov Lewis team. Look at this beautifully designed and stylish 2-bed, 2-bathroom apartment. A really minimalist kitchen with lots of smoky gray, wood, quartz countertops, a little pop of purple. You don't appreciate a pasta filler until you have one. It makes cooking so easy. The kitchen island has room for 4 stools, and look at this spacious living room. It opens right up out to this balcony. The owners would eat here, and upstairs there's another terrace as well. There's 2 really beautiful outdoor spaces here. Bedroom 1 easily fits a queen-size bed, has sweeping views out over gardens, and check out this closet. It's pretty great. The downstairs bathroom has a deep soaking tub, and it's located right next to the washer and dryer that vents out. Duplex apartments always feel so homey because of the stairs inside. And up here in the primary suite, easily fit a king-size bed. This work from home desk is a perfect sweeping view over the terrace. And check out the primary bath. I love these cool tiles. There's a lot of space in here, and the vanity actually has a lot of storage. Look at this beautifully landscaped terrace. It's all irrigated. There's lots of different colors. I can't wait for you to see it spring through fall. Do not miss this opportunity to live on a serene residential block just minutes from all that Williamsburg has to offer. Thanks for visiting me on this tour of 77 Kingsland Avenue. Please come and check it out. It's a great apartment, 2 outdoor spaces. You're gonna love living here.